Now it's time for a nice cold shower. Oh, it's so hot in here. But I had to clear off the clay table. Tomorrow, this one and those two broken-legged bins. Never buying those bins from Walmart ever again. Ever, ever, ever. So all of that is tomorrow. And in the meantime, come on, Magic. Yep, got my boxes ready, you know. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Get outside. Don't be playing with me, boy. I gotta light me some incense. Write on some more boxes. And get some water. If you don't stop playing with my shoes, I'm gonna spray you with the water bottle. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's so good. Okay, well, here's my progress report for the day. Whew. You gonna say hello? Say hello. Magic, say hello. Yeah, gotta put my legs up. I know they look like fat sweet potatoes, but at least I'm sweet. Magic. Say, Magic. Come here. Come here. You're being rude. Okay? Say hello. Thank you guys for all the love and support. We love you back. Okay, guys. Time for a cold shower. Turn off.